Okay, looks like, all right. Okay, so let me do, I know we had a request. One person asked me, and I can't recall who it was, to give them another, an idea of what we need to submit for the um, homework, and that's fine. So let's do this, all right? So let's do a quick review. We're now in new project, and in new project, I'm selecting Java application. For almost every single application that we'll do for this class, we're going to do it this way. There'll be a couple towards the end where we actually do a graphical user interface, very simple one, and so we'll do it just a little bit differently. Okay, so I'll hit next. Okay, I'm going to say demo 1, week 1, or week 2, I should say. Okay, and the way you find what you need to upload, look at your project location, and you can select where your project is going to be saved. Mine just happens to be saved under user owner documents. And what it's doing is it's going to create a folder under there called Demo 1 Week 2. And I always don't worry too much about this. I usually don't create the main class. You can just leave it and it'll default and put one in for you. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, so I'm going to hit finish. Okay, I don't have any source code files yet, so I'm just going to put new Java class. I'm going to say, I'm just going to do this for, it's going to be empty for now, but I just want to show you what you need to do to submit your assignments. Okay, demo 1 week 2. All right, I'm just going to hit finish. And so now I have this empty demo 1 week 2 public class. All right. So what I need to do is I'm going to go down into documents. Okay, and I am going to go into, if you can see right here under my documents, I have demo 1 week 2. And right here. Okay, I just got a request here. Can I make it larger? You're talking about the font's too small? Okay, let's see if I can do that without completely messing everything up here. All right, let me give it a shot. Let's see. Wow, that's going to make me shut everything down. So I guess the answer... Okay, so you're all set now? Which is good because I was going to have to log off and it would kill the entire meeting if that were the case. Okay. All right, so let's go back and look here. I put mine in my documents, and so what I need, if you look under my documents, demo 1 week 2, there's a subdirectory there that I created. See all this stuff right here. What I want you to do is I want you to zip it all together. Obviously, you can do your screenshots. You've all been doing those, the little JPEGs you've been sending me. But I also want you to go ahead and here and zip all this together. And for example, I can add it to week 1, demo week 1. If I look in demo week 1, that's been zipped up. It's got everything I need in there. Okay. The problem is if you just send screenshots of the code, then there's parts of the code I can't see. I can't see the entire structure, so I can't help you if there's something wrong. It also makes it almost impossible for me to grade some assignments, so it's really, really important that you send everything to me. Okay. As a minimum now, okay, there's all this stuff here. As a minimum, go into source. You see this demo 1 week 2.java file. As a minimum, I need your .java files. Okay. It's not necessary to send everything, but that's the easiest way. All right. So if you look in that demo 1 week 2 Java file, you can see that's the source code that I've created. It's showing it displaying over here on the right. Okay. So does anybody have any questions on what we need to submit? Okay. All right. So it says, looks like folks are good at this point. Now, are you seeing anything weird? Because it looks like this screen capture may be taking part of my other screen as well. Is that the case? Is that anybody seeing anything more than just NetBeans at this point? Okay. That, I mean, it's hard enough for you to see now. I don't want to be adding extra stuff in there that you don't need. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do an example, and as soon as I can figure out what I need to do here. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Trying to get you guys back, so I'm trying to do here. You disappeared. All right. So I am going to do an example real quick. And so what I'm going to do is, let's do this. This is a really easy one. It'll kind of show you how a little bit more with the if statements, and some of the ones I saw so far look pretty good. I do have some more to grade this week. There were some folks that I asked to resubmit things because they didn't send the correct things that I needed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and start this one off. I mean, I can up here, I can put this is a comment up here, so I can put my name in here. And we're going to do, let's see, determine odd or even number. Even, I can spell number. So we're going to just do a little sample program here. That'll determine whether a number input by a user